Well, everybody, it's been a long time since we got a video out there. I mean, it's been a really long time. So I'm going to throw this up. I've got some things going on with the car. We did the Nevada Open Road Challenge in May. I should have video up of that coming up soon. I've also got some video of a road trip I did down through Arizona, Utah, New Mexico, back up through Southwest Colorado. Stunning, stunning pictures. Beautiful country. I'll try to get that video up here soon. And I'm also working on, let's see, I'll walk you over here and show you what I got. I've got these mirrors. These are Motorcycle Ninja mirrors. A couple of guys run these on the car. I'm gonna try to get these installed because the mirrors, sorry, the car's up on the lift and I don't feel like getting it down. But as you can see, I've got those mirrors that are up on the side. Most of the guys put these Ninja mirrors and they go into the door. I'm gonna try to fab a bracket and go up into where those mirrors go onto the windows. We'll see. Gonna take a little bit of work, but I'll see what I can figure out. So plan on having some videos put up here. I'm back at it. As I said, between the move and everything else, it has been just so busy, just tired. So we'll get this going. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see what comes up next. Have a good one.